So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon once again. You just see that what's happening now. It is collection of the money, from this Kashmiri Havan. Hey, Bharsa, namaskar, mara hai, namaskar.
Welcome. Thank you.
God bless
You are doing a good job. At least you are preserving our heritage.
So what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is Mayur Phase 3. This is the annual Havan. Now they were in fast. This started yesterday, but now it has concluded today at around 2 p.m.
इतना धन्यवाद करता हूँ उन्होंने रात दिन इतनी मेहनत की
एब्सोल्युटली सही है
हाँ, ये सही है ना।
बिल्कुल सही है। हमको कुलदीप जी को बहुत ही धन्यवाद है कि उनको और इनके साथ काफी और टीम भी है, उसमें कोई शक नहीं। गॉड ब्लेस हिम सर।
धन्यवाद संजय
चौधरी जी का भी जिन्होंने बहुत इसमें सहयोग दे दिया।
धन्यवाद काउंसलर संजय चौधरी जी का, धन्यवाद श्री राजीव वर्मा जी का, धन्यवाद हर एक कम्युनिटी का जितने भी यहाँ पर है।
So what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is
मैं कुलदीप जी जो प्रेसिडेंट है उनकी तरफ से अपने जो यहाँ काउंसलर है संजय चौधरी जी।
This is the annual Havan. Today is 24th of February 2019. So वो फरवरी सास कुनू आज this see this dedication. This is real dedication. This is seva. And of course Vinod Kaul Sahab, the great, doing a great job again. God bless him.
शुक्रिया।
दो दिन लोगों ने मांगा।
Let's go around and just see who is. He is again a very important thing. The Sharda man, the pillar behind. That this Kashmir. That Kashmir occupied, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. There is Mata Sharda temple. He is the man who wants to open Pandita Sahab, Rajendra Pandita Sahab. God bless him. He is the person who wants to just connect there. Connect the route between Kashmiri Pandits and their places, their original places. Which one finally fought, but Agnes Brontkinet in front of the fireplace. This yagin, this fasting lunch is there. Thank you. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, I sign off here.